In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to contact Zangi's support team. To contact Zangi's support team, open your Zangi application on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, go ahead and log into your account first. Once you're inside the chat screen of Zangi, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Once you open up the settings interface, scroll down and tap on the FAQ button. Now, you will be able to see an email address popping up on the next page at the top. Simply go ahead and select the email address and copy the email address, and you can use this email over here to contact to Zangi support directly via email. Copy the email and open up your email service provider. You can open up any email service provider such as Gmail, Hotmail, etc. and then tap on the compose button available in the home screen. Inside the to text box, paste in this email that you just copied. Now, type in a subject and compose an email, clearly explain the problem you are facing which led you to contact to the customer service team. You can include details like your device type, Zangi versions, and screenshot if available. After you type in your email and send it to the Zangi support team, you will be able to get necessary help from their end. That was how you can easily contact Zangi support team via email. Another way to get in touch with them is to simply scroll all the way down from this page and then tap on the Contact Us button. Here you can go ahead and fill in your form, entering your name, company name, email address, and messages that you have for the Zangi support team. Enter all of your problems and support needed in the correct text boxes, and finally click the send button in order to get in touch with the support team from your Zangi account. That is how you can easily contact Zangi's support team if you need to from your Zangi mobile application. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.